In this session, we will do problems for class 10, chapter coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1. The problem is, if the distance between 2 points x comma 7, this is the first point, and 1 comma 15, this is the second point, is 10. Find the value x. So first we'll write the given points, that is a is equal to x comma 7 and b is equal to 1 comma 5. So the distance between these 2 points is given here. So the distance between AB is equal to 10. So now here we have to find out the x value. So we have distance formula, that is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So here we have to substitute the distance, that is 10, here x1. So here we can mark x1, y1 and x2, y2. So we have to substitute the x2, x1 and y2 and y1 values in this formula. Then we'll find out the x value. Now so d is equal to 10, that is equal to square root of x2 means 1 minus x whole square plus y2 means 15 minus y1 is 7 whole square. So 10 is equal to square root of 1 minus x whole square plus 15 minus 7, 8. And 8 square means it is 64. I am writing directly. 15 minus 7 is 8 and 8 square is equal to 64. Now, to remove this square root, we have to square on both sides. So therefore, squaring on both sides, then 10 whole square. Now this square root 1 minus x whole square plus 64 we have to do square. So 10 square means 100 is equal to, so this square and square root gets cancelled. Now the remaining is 1 minus x whole square plus 64. So bring this 64 to the left hand side, then it becomes minus 64. So 100 minus 64 is equal to 1 minus x whole square. Now 100 minus 64 will have 36 is equal to 1 minus x whole square. So bring this 36 to the right hand side and then here will be 0. Therefore 1 minus x whole square minus 36 is equal to 0. This 36 can be written as 6 square. So 1 minus x whole square minus 6 whole square is equal to 0. Now see this is in the form of algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square. So what is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So here a is 1 minus x. So just to avoid confusion, we can write it as like this. A and b. 1 minus x is a, b is 6. Now a plus b means 1 minus x plus 6. Next a minus b means 1 minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now plus 1 and plus 6, it becomes minus x plus 7. Next minus x 1, this is plus 1 and this is minus 6. Opposite symbols, so we have to do subtraction. 6 minus 1, it is 5, and the symbol large number is 6 having minus. So therefore minus is equal to 0. Next we have to equate to 0 such that we will get the x value. So minus x plus 7 is equal to 0 and minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So bring this plus 7 to the other side, then it becomes minus x is equal to minus 7. Therefore minus minus gets cancelled, x is equal to 7. Next in the same manner, minus x is equal to 5. So we need x value. So if we multiply this with minus, x is equal to 5. So minus 5. So if you multiply this with the minus symbol, x is equal to minus 5. Therefore the values for x can be 7 or minus 5. So here the x value can be 7 or minus 5. Next problem is find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. So here there is a circle and center. So center point is 3, 2. So from this a line is passing, that is passing through, suppose here it is, assume that is 5, 6. So this is center, let it take it as P and this one as Q. So here there are 2 points and now we have to find out the radius of the circle. We know from the center to the point joining on the any on the circles, that is nothing but radius. So if we find out the distance between this P and Q, that is nothing but radius of the circle. So here we have to find out the distance between 3, 2 and minus 5, 6. So now we will write what is given in the problem. So the center is 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. Now the radius is equal to, so distance between these 2 points. So what is the formula for that? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the distance, the radius is nothing but the distance between P and Q. Now among these 2 points, what is x1? Let us just mark x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now x2 is minus 5 minus x1 means 3 whole square plus, now y2 means 6, next minus y1 means 2 whole square, that is equal to minus 5 minus 3 means same symbol, so we have to do addition. So minus 8 whole square plus 6 minus 2, that is 4 square. So it is nothing but 8 square means 64 plus 4 square means 16. So if we add 64 and 16, it is 80. So square root of 80. So this 80 can be written as 16 into 5. So 16 if we bring out to the square root, then it can be written as 4 root 5. So this is radius of the circle. So center to it is passing through minus 5 comma 6. They are asking us to find out the radius of the circle. So here the radius is nothing but the distance between these 2 points. So the radius of the circle is 4 root 5 units.